Okay, Girl Scouts, what you do is clean your wheels and foams off with Dawn dish liquid and water, and make sure you rinse out your foams real good. And then you're going to get your bottle of brake fluid, and you're going to get you a good brush. And then you take and dip your brush down in the brake fluid. Make sure that you don't pull it out real quick, because you'll squirt it in your eye like I did. You'll see me make a funny face here in a minute. And you just take that brush and you just brush the top of the tread. You don't want to soak it in it or nothing like that. You just want to get the top of the tread as best as you can, and then just let it sit. And if you think you need to, apply again another time. In this case, I only just let them dry, and then the next day I just took a towel and wiped them off. And you'll see the results coming up right here in a minute, so stay tuned. This is as good as brake fluid, as Simple Green and WD-40. I believe it's better than WD-40. I'm not quite sure if it's better than the Simple Green or not. But if you saw the first clip of the dirty tires, and you watch the second clip of the clean tires, they're in the same spot, and I tried to get it about the same as I could. I'm not very good cameraman or RC driver, so check it out, because here she comes, ladies and gents. Check her out.